In this video, we're going to learn how to remove misplaced content controls from a Word document. Content controls are used to add different elements to forms, for example, text fields, checkboxes, and option buttons. Sometimes the content controls are used incorrectly or misplaced. To remove all misplaced content controls at once, click on the Developer tab, then click on Design Mode. If the Developer tab is not visible on your screen, click on File Options. Click on Custom Ribbon. On the right hand side, check Developer and click OK. With the design mode on, it's now easy to see where the content controls are. Select the entire document by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard. Right-click on any of the content controls and click on Remove Content Control. Now all of the content controls have been removed. If you don't want to remove all content controls at once, right-click on each individual control without selecting the entire document. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more.